Okay, now tell us what's going on here.
We're celebrating Christmas. Hanukkah.
Alright, and who's this person here?
Marty.
Is he, where did he come from?
He comes from school.
He's a friend of yours?
Yeah.
And is he going to help you celebrate Hanukkah?
Yeah.
Alright, now what do you have there in your hands, Cedar? What do you call that?
I don't know.
Menorah.
Menorah.
Good. Alright, and then what do you do with the menorah?
I light the candle.
Alright, and we say a prayer, right?
Yeah.
Now you have to put the menorah on the blue plate. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, whoa, watch where you wave that thing. Now, should we practice? Is Mama going to practice with us? Oh,
Yes.
Mama's working. This is a Hanukkah, working Hanukkah for you?
No, I swear.
Okay, practice the prayer with them.
Okay. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kiddushanu, b'mitzvotah v'tzivanu, lahadlik ner shel Hanukkah.
Now get in there, Sarah.
Okay.
And wait, don't we need a scripto?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll light the candle, Mama.
I don't know about that.
Martin, what do you think of Hanukkah? Do you like Hanukkah?
Let me light this. See?
Martin's going to have a new cousin.
Peter, do you know what you get to do though?
Martin has a new cousin. 10:30 this morning.
Really?
Yep.
Ellie was right.
Liam.
A couple hours, she was right.
Okay, get in there, Sarah.
All I wanted to say
I'm
was-
looking at your crotch.
What?
I'm down here.
Are you?
Get down.
Okay. Hey,
Hey.
Cece, here's the deal. Mama lights the candle.
Martin, come back.
No, I have two.
No. Mama lights the candle. You put the candle on one end. Which end, Charlie?
I don't know.
Doesn't he start right to left?
Yeah. But
Okay.
who's
so we
right?
Put this one. We put this one
My
here.
left.
Susie's
You're right.
lighting.
Okay.
Okay. Here's the deal, though, sweetie. We light this candle. This is the special candle that's for lighting the other candle.
I will do it.
Listen. We light the candle. This is a special candle.